The 333 rule is a simple and easy technique that can be used in any situation to help manage anxiety. The idea is that by acknowledging and accepting the anxiety, you can reduce its intensity, and by distracting yourself, you can interrupt the cycle of anxious thoughts. The 333 rule is a simple technique that can help you manage your anxiety in the moment. It can be used as a practical way to calm anxiety. This exercise does not require any materials, only your observations. It is a grounding technique that directs people to identify 3 objects they can see, hear, and touch. This works to shift someone's perspective back to their physical surroundings. The 333 anxiety rule takes you out of your head by using your senses as a way to reconnect with your body in the midst of negative anxiety symptoms, including intrusive thoughts and panic attacks. The 333 rule for anxiety can be useful in a variety of situations, such as during a panic attack, when meeting new people, giving a presentation, taking an exam, or in any situation where you are experiencing social anxiety. The technique involves 3 steps. Step 1. Focus on 3 things you can see. Identify 3 objects or things in your immediate environment that you can see. You can notice big objects such as a tree or a chair, or you can look for smaller, more discrete objects such as a pencil or a penny. The idea isn't necessarily to have objects in mind that you want to see, but rather to fully focus on each of these things and try to clear your mind of any other distractions or thoughts. This helps you deal with your anxiety by removing you from whatever causes you stress. This can help you to be more present in the moment and to feel more grounded. Step 2. Focus on 3 things you can hear. This step is likely referring to a mindfulness or meditation practice where the individual is instructed to focus their attention on 3 things they can hear in their environment. This technique can help to bring one's mind into the present moment and reduce distractions or racing thoughts. It can also help to improve focus and concentration. Some things to listen for include a clock ticking, clacking of keys on a keyboard, or someone sniffling. If you are somewhere outdoors, you may notice leaves rustling in the wind, cars passing by, or dogs barking. Step 3. Focus on 3 things you can touch or move. Lastly, find 3 things that you can touch or move, such as your limbs or external objects. Identifying tangible items is one of the fastest ways to ground yourself when you're feeling anxious. Teaching yourself to focus on the physical environment helps you feel anchored and reminds you to be present. Subscribe to our channel. It's important to note that this technique is not a substitute for professional therapy or medication. It's a simple, common and informal technique to help manage anxiety in the moment. But if you are struggling with chronic anxiety or other mental health issues, it's important to seek help from a qualified professional with whom you can see yourself building a therapeutic relationship with.